Welcome. In today's video, I'll show how to block embedded content in Google Chrome on your mobile device. This quick setting helps you improve privacy, speed up your browsing, and prevent sites from automatically loading extra media like videos or widgets in the background. Let's get started. First, open the Chrome app on your mobile device. Make sure you're using the latest version so everything looks and functions correctly. Next, tap the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. This opens Chrome's main menu. From there, scroll down and select Settings. This is where all your browsing preferences are located, including security and site controls. Once you're in the Settings menu, find and tap on Site Settings. This section manages what kind of content websites are allowed to show or run while you're browsing. You'll see options for things like cookies, camera access, notifications, and more. Now scroll a bit until you find Embedded Content. This feature controls how external content, such as videos and social media elements, automatically loads on websites. By default, it's usually enabled, meaning sites can show these extras without asking. To block them, simply tap Embedded Content and then toggle the switch to turn it off. Once you do this, Chrome will stop loading embedded items unless you manually allow them.